today we're going to be making cherry blossom flowers. I can't wait to make these with you. We're going to be using double knit yarn, we're going to be using 4mm hook, we're going to be using scissors and a darning needle. So grab your stuff, let's get into it. For this project we're going to need a lovely deep red or reddy pink coloured yarn, some white yarn and some pale pink yarn. So this is my 4mm hook. I made this myself with polymer clay. If you want to know how to make them, then pop a comment below and I will make a little video for you. We're going to need our scissors, a darning needle and our yarns. You've got two choices here, so you can either make a chain like I'm going to do, or you can make a magic ring. Now I prefer to do the chain simply because it doesn't come apart, it's less likely to come apart, but with a magic ring there's always a chance that it can come apart. So I'm going to start off by making a slip knot. Pop my hook in. I'm then going to chain up 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then I'm going to slip stitch to the beginning chain. Just like that. Then chain 1, put 10 half double crochets into that ring. 1, 2, and then we're going to slip stitch back to the first half double crochet that we made. Then we're going to chain 1 and fasten off. And that's the centre of our flower done. Now we're going to grab either our white or our pink yarn, depending on which colour you would like to make. I'm going to go with the pink, because I think that might be a little bit easier for you guys to see. Now using our pink or white yarn, we're going to make a slip knot. And we're going to attach it where we fastened off with a slip stitch. We're going to chain up 1, and into that same stitch we're going to put a half double crochet, 2 double crochets and another half double crochet. So half double crochet, double crochet, double crochet and another half double crochet. Then we're going to chain 1. We're going to skip a stitch just there, and we're going to go into the next one. Half double crochet, then 2 double crochets and then another half double crochet all into that stitch. Then chain 1 and repeat that around. So we skip a stitch, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, half double crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch and then repeat. And I'll meet you back around at the beginning. Finish that part, we're going to chain the 1 and then we're going to slip stitch to the first half double crochet that we made. Chain 1, then we want to make a half double crochet and a double crochet in the stitch here. A half double crochet and a double crochet. Then in the next stitch we're going to make a double crochet and a treble crochet. then a small picot, so we chain 1, and then we go into the side of the treble crochet, yarn over, pull through, and pull through the loop on your hook. That gives us our little tiny little picot. Into the next stitch, we're going to put a treble crochet and a double crochet. So yarn over twice, pull through, and pull through. Then a double crochet into the same stitch. Then into the next one, we're going to put a double crochet and a half double crochet. A double crochet and a half double crochet. Then when we've got the chain 1 space, we're just going to slip stitch. And then we repeat that again. So we do the half double crochet in the first stitch with a double crochet in there as well. Then a double crochet in the next with a treble crochet, a small picot, and then in the next stitch a treble crochet and a double crochet, and then in the next stitch a double crochet and a half double crochet. Then slip stitch into the chain space. Okay, so you repeat that all the way around and I'll meet you back at the beginning. Now we're back around at the beginning. We're just going to slip stitch into that last chain space and then chain 1 to fasten off. And there you go. A cute little cherry blossom. Now to weave in the ends, we just grab our darning needle and thread it through. And pull it through. Now if you want to, you can weave it in and out a few times to make sure it's definitely secure. I'm only going to do it just the once because I'm going to be hanging this up as bunting, so therefore it doesn't matter too much. And do the same with these 2 inside tails as well. Now the reason why I normally feed it in first is because this can happen. So if you've got a short tail, or a relatively short tail, and you go to feed it in through, you're not going to be able to get too close to it before it just comes straight off of your darning needle. So I like to feed mine in first, like so, and then grab the yarn and pop it on. There you go. Quick and easy to work up. You can make them into bunting or presents for friends. And that's how you make cherry blossom flowers. I'm going to turn mine into bunting. So let me know how you get on with it, guys. Drop a comment below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, share with your friends, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.